We started off with just keeping the energy extended, and as our partner moves in, we keep that same feeling. Now, what you're going to start notice with this is right at the moment of touch, there's sort of like a spark plug where it builds, and goes pop, and it shoots a spark of energy out. So the energy's not affecting out there, that's vital extension. If I go more electric, it waits, and then it pops. So there's a moment where the conditions are right for the electric energy in his body, my body, to repel each other. And the more he engages his structure from his foot all the way up, the more that reaction takes place. So there's a moment at which it happens. If the moment happens too early, it's more electromagnetic. It's not pure electric. So the more you make it peak, the more you can get this little electric pulse right at that moment. And that's the pulse you want to amplify for the effect. So just note that and then figure out, how do I make that stronger? And it's a mental quality which makes it stronger. From there, we want to start working on micro movements of turning the body to loosen our body a little bit while we're doing this. So as he's coming in, I'm just doing a small wave. I maintain the outward feeling and just turn my waist. We're talking about millimeters, maybe up to an inch. If you do really, really big waves, you'll lose that field effect too early. So make it very, very, very small. And I'm just doing a small turn left and right. So basically, we're doing this type of movement from the Tai Chi form, the big turn, but we're doing it as a micro movement. And it's just a small loosening.